Hello friends, so today this video is about HID cleat which I am going to install in my Tigor. So I order these from UGlair website. So here you can see the components of the HID kit. So this one is the fast start ballast, then this is the smart enable CAN smart system for CAN enabled vehicles, and these are the HID bulb. Now this UGlair company, they order Eiki makes HID bulb. They have not given any Kelvin temperature, but usually this LBS stands for 5500, so they have availability of 3500, 4500 and 5500 Kelvin. You get lots and lots of wiring. So just for my understanding, I talked with Mr. Abhishek Srivastav, who is the owner of this group UGlair. So here I have already assembled one of these HID kit. So this is the connection which will go into our stock headlamp plug. From that it will go into this smart CAN system, then this ballast, and from this ballast it will go into this, again some small, I don't know what is this, but it is, this kit is completely CAN enabled. So if there is any vehicle which has a CAN bus system, means if there is any change in a headlight voltage or watt rating, then it shows the fluctuation or error code on your vehicle MID system. Usually Hexa, Nexon or Mercedes or Volkswagen make car, they have such a kind of issue. So this kit is CAN enabled. So if you have a CAN enabled system, you can definitely install this. There is no issue. We don't need to give any other CAN system. There is some other thing in the market. If you go to Osram, then they provide this separate system for a CAN, and from that this coupler, now this goes into the HID. So this is the complete kit for one side. This is another which is not I have assembled. So now for installing this kit you require this complete kit. Here I took another some tools, some cutter, this is my Swiss knife, then some cable ties and screwdriver in case I need. Okay, so this is the engine bay of Tigor. The headlight of low beam is position over here, you can see. So you have to rotate it anti-clockwise direction, means that direction, and it will come out. So while installing removing the bulb, I recommend you to remove this plug for motor, adjustable motor coupler, so it will be easy. Now here you can see the bulb. Now I twist it on if you have small hands it will be easy for you. I'll twist it right anti-clockwise, and you can see after a lot of struggle I managed to remove this. So this is the stock H11 bulb. Brown is a negative and blue is a positive. And this is the stock headlight bulb, you can see it is a Osram make, Germany. Quite good component Tata is using in their car. Okay, so this is the wire which comes from a headlight. Earlier it was in a bulb, so I connected this negative to the brown, positive to the blue. This goes inside this ballast, and from there another wire comes out with this smart CAN system, and now finally it is connected. There is a locking system available provided, so we have to make sure that the notches are completely fitted. I'll show you another bulb. See, here there is a notch, so you have to make sure that this is perfectly locked inside this. Installing this bulb you may face some difficulty. So see, here is the locking mechanism. This line part should come below. Okay, so you have to insert it in this way. I'll show you. You can see the notch. So in this way we have to insert it. You can see I removed the complete front bumper because it was almost impossible to do that. You have to remove this 1 2 3 4 screw, 5 screws at the bottom, 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 screws over here. I removed the complete foglet, kept at this. So here now I get a better chance to mount, do the mod perfectly. You can see here, you see I removed the coupler. So now I'll remove this headlight 1 2 3 4 and install the bulb. Now the problem with this kit was I was not able to install the bulb properly. I'll show you. I removed the complete bulb. So here you can see now the bulb is perfectly aligned, and with this I was not able to install it in this correct vertical orientation. It was always remained the tilted. So I opened completely bumper. So left-handed side bound ballast I have mounted over here, which is very secured. The plate is quite sturdy. They have provided 3M, and plus I put couple of cable ties to make sure that it won't relocate, and I don't think it will relocate. HID kit is ballast off is installed on the right side. So now let's do the remaining wiring, put the bumper up, and I'll show you the final result. Fog lamp, HID, high beam, HID. So this is how the performance of light, bright white. You can see how long the throw is. This is how it looks from clothes. It's pure white.